Hey, welcome to Harley Davidson. How can I help you live to ride and ride to live? Oh, hey man, yeah, thanks. I'm here to get a service on my bike. I've got an extended service plan. I was hoping you guys could just bang this out real quick for me so I could get back on the road. You know, 2 wheels down, shiny side up, let's get rolling. You know what I mean, right? Oh, so you're coming in for a service? That is great. So tell me, did you also get the VIP package? No, I didn't get the extended VIP warranty thing, but you know, I did get the extended service plan, so I figured it was all the same. You can get me in, you can knock this out real quick, and I can ride. Like, yeah, get on those Ape hangers, you know what I'm talking about, just blowing down the road to the next bar, to the next bar, to the next bar, to Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, no VIP package, huh? Oh, sorry, bro, but it's gonna be about 3 months before we can get you in for a service. 3 months? Surely you can't be serious. No, I am serious, and don't call me Shirley. Look, man, I'm gonna be honest. I didn't buy the VIP plan because you offer that to thousands of people. So even if, like, you know, 10, 20% of those people took it, hundreds of people are still in front of me all the time. And that's like yearly. So like there are thousands of people in front of me, and that still puts me way at the back of the line. So why am I paying for something that isn't gonna bump me ahead and put me first? It's gonna put me in the queue of all the other people also waiting that paid way too much for a VIP plan. Come on. Yeah, look, I know we sell the VIP package to everyone who comes in the door, but the problem is a lot of you guys don't take advantage of it. So yeah, you may be stacked up behind some other people who also bought the VIP package, but you're ahead of all the people who didn't buy the VIP package, which is why you should have did it in the first place. We're just trying to help you, bro. We're trying to keep you on the road. We're trying to help you find your freedom. Come on, dude, I just need a quick service. What about that guy? Who? Steve? Ah, Steve is busy, man. He is all out. He is busy as all can be. That dude's not busy. Like, so I think wait, is he sleeping? Nah, he's not sleeping. That dude is working hard. Like the perspiration coming off that dude, I gotta put down towels around him. There's just so much sweat from him just working so damn hard. That guy is on the grind just 24/7. It is insane. One of our hardest workers here. I think he's been Employee of the Month at least 6-7 times this month alone. Nah, dude, seriously, I know what sleeping is. That dude is sleeping. No, he's not sleeping. He's just resting his eyes. Yeah, Steve's an air traffic controller at night. So, you know, he just takes these little, like, he closes his eyes for a couple seconds and then he's right back to work. Trust me, he is not sleeping. He is just making sure he is in peak physical condition to work on bikes like yours in 3 months. All right, look, man, it just feels like you're trying to slow roll me. Like, I didn't buy your VIP plan, so you're like, oh, 3 months out, no matter what. Like, anytime I've ever called you guys and tried to get an appointment, it's always like 3 months out, 3 months out. I'll call you in December, you're like, oh, 3 months out. It seems like this is just some sort of like gimmick for you guys to come over, try and get me to buy something I don't need, and if I don't buy it, you're just gonna slow roll me and go 3 months. You know, I've never heard any of you guys ever go 6 months, 2 months. It's always 3. Seems like a very standard answer. Almost like you've been trained to say that to people who didn't get the VIP plan. This is absolutely insane. And this is just one of those things that absolutely drives me nuts about Harley. Dude, if you got the space, bring me in, take care of the service, and let's go. This whole like, oh, 3 months automatically, it feels like another one of those money pit traps that you guys always throw. Oh, you didn't buy this? Oh, sorry, that's gonna take longer. That's gonna be more expensive. You guys are absolutely ridiculous with this stuff. Just go back to giving people good service. Seriously, this is absolutely insane. You know what? I'm gonna take my bike to my local shop because you guys, you're not cutting it. And I'm not waiting 3 months to get back to Dunkin' Donuts. This is absolutely uncalled for. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. Yeah, I mean, anytime I've ever called Harley and anytime any of my friends have ever called Harley to get a service, it's always 3 months. And it's not even the same Harley dealership, like multiple dealerships through multiple states. It's like, hey, can I come in? No, I didn't get the VIP service. 3 months? Okay. Like all the time. It just seems a little shady to me. I have a hard time wrapping my head around they are always 3 months out. And I don't know about you, but occasionally I do look into those bay windows, and it doesn't look like they are just all straight out, like, you know, balls to the wall grinding. So that's suspect, Harley. That's seriously suspect. Just go back to giving people good service. Give them what they paid for. Stop trying to upcharge them and nickel and dime them. It is just absolutely ridiculous. For the rest of you who may not be aware of this, and I found this out just recently, if you have an extended service plan, you can bring your bike to a certified Harley mechanic that is not part of a dealership and still get the same coverage taken care of without having to pay extra out of pocket. So contact your local guys. Help out those small businesses. Give them like the work. I guarantee they're not going to be making you wait 3 months for like oil changes and stuff. Aside from that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dork you know who's like, oh, I'm still waiting 3 months to get my bike fixed and all I want to do is go to Dunkin' Donuts. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.